To fill out the IRS W-4 form for 2025 or any tax year, follow these steps carefully. The W-4 is used by your employer to withhold the correct amount of federal income tax from your paycheck. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Personal information, Part 1. Full name, enter your legal first and last name. Social Security number, SSN, enter your SSN. Address, provide your home address. Filing status, check the box that best describes your filing status. Single or married, filing separately. Married, filing jointly. Head of household, if you are unmarried and support a dependent. Step 2. Multiple jobs or spouse works, Part 2. If you have more than one job or your spouse works, this section helps to adjust your withholding to prevent under or over withholding. You can fill this out using one of the following methods. Option 1. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator to calculate your withholding more accurately. Option 2. Use the multiple jobs worksheet on page 3 of the W-4 to calculate withholding amounts for multiple jobs. Option 3. If you have two jobs with similar pay, check the box to have the withholding adjusted accordingly. Step 3. Claim dependents, Part 3. If your total income is $200,000 or less, $400,000 or less for married couples, you may claim dependents. For each child under the age of 17, enter $2,000 per child. For other dependents, not children, enter $500 for each dependent. This section helps to lower your withholding based on your dependents' tax credits. Step 4. Other adjustments, Part 4. This section allows you to make further adjustments for things like other income, e.g., interest, dividends, retirement income that isn't subject to withholding. Deductions. If you expect to claim deductions such as mortgage interest, state taxes, charitable contributions that exceed the standard deduction, you can enter the expected amount. Extra withholding. If you want additional amounts withheld from your paycheck for tax purposes, enter the desired additional amount. Step 5. Sign and date, Part 5. Signature. Sign the form to certify that the information provided is correct. Date. Include the date you are signing the form. Additional tips. Review annually. Consider updating your W-4 each year or when you have major life changes, e.g., marriage, having a baby, changes in income. Check paycheck. After submitting your W-4 to your employer, check your paycheck to ensure the correct amount is being withheld. Common changes that might affect your W-4. Getting married. Adjust your filing status to married and potentially update the number of dependents. Having a child. You may qualify for additional tax credits, reducing your withholding. Taking on a second job. You may need to adjust the form to account for the extra income. Remember that the goal of the W-4 is to ensure you neither owe a large tax bill at the end of the year nor receive a large refund. For precise and tailored guidance, it's always wise to consult the IRS website or a tax professional.